Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, we will share with you our take on the French crepe recipe. So stay tuned. Everyone who tried the French crepe loves it. They are simply delicious and easy to make. You just need a few common ingredients. So let's get to it. We start by pouring in a bowl some plain flour. We add some sugar and a pinch of salt. If you are looking for the exact amounts, let us know in the comments below. We add 2 whole eggs and we incorporate a small amount of milk to get a thick paste. This way we can make a smooth batter. Next, we add some vegetable oil, or you can add melted butter if you want. We continue by grating a small amount of orange zest. And when done, we add a few drops of rum extract, and we make our batter thinner by adding sparkling mineral water. We cook our crepe in a hot pan on medium heat. We add a small amount of oil to our pan, so our pancakes don't stick to it. Our crepes are ready. You can add any marmalade you like. We, for instance, add chocolate, vanilla, or any flavored pudding with some fruit on top. We then fold it and we add a layer of chocolate spread on top. This is our take on this delicious and simple dessert. The sweet pudding along with the fresh fruits are an excellent choice. You can combine or add any fillings to your taste. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Stay safe and see you on the next one.